Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we've got this Toro Timemaster. Look at the size of this thing. It's a 30-inch mower. 2 blades under it. It's in for some regular maintenance, you know, spark plug, oil change, that kind of thing. Sharpen and balance the blades. It's running fine. He just wants a little seasonal maintenance before the season starts up here. So we're going to jump in and see what we can figure out with it. Stay tuned. Check them out. Couple of blades there. Oh, these are gator blades. Oh, they got some wear on them. Eesh. Well, let's have a look. Wow, we're not going to get it off of that one. Nope. Don't come the big guns. Air gun. Yeah, they've been sharpened a few times. We're going to probably let them go anyways, but we'll have a look once they're off. We'll give them a sharpen and balance. There we go. Uno. Dos. There's 2 of them off. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here. You can see funky arbors. Wow, yeah, they've been sharpened a lot. So this metal used to go all the way up straight. So that's a good almost 3/8 of an inch, 5/16. I will let them know that they're reaching the end of their life here, but we'll sharpen them up. They're not terrible anyways. They're not damaged or anything. So I'm going to clamp them in the vise. I'll sharpen and balance them. I'm going to scrape underneath his deck because it's pretty bad. I've already changed the spark plugs, and he didn't tell me it doesn't run, so I think it runs just fine. We'll get the deck cleaned out, get those blades sharpened and balanced. Yeah, and we'll flip it back down. Okay, well, we got the blade sharpened and balanced. Got the deck scraped out for the most part. Nothing too crazy there. Get you zoomed out, and I think I said I've already changed the spark plug, because I did. But we're gonna run it. We're gonna warm it up so we can change the oil. So, zoomed out enough? Yeah, sure you are. So it does have a blade clutch. So you can run the engine without the blades turning. And then when you want to engage the blade, you just pull that lever down and off it goes. So let's see what happens here. Give her a pull. Wow, those blades are loud. Yeah, very loud. I'm gonna fire it up and let it run a little bit, but I can do that off camera. I'm just gonna check the air filter while we're here. It's brand new. Doesn't need a new one. So that's good. Yeah, okay, so off camera, I'm gonna fire it back up and leave it run for a little bit. Off camera, I'll change the oil. That's it. Might as well just close the video. I'm going to run it and change the oil. That's all. That's all that's left. It was a quick little once over and make sure it's good for the season. And you should be able to pick it up today. Thanks for joining me on this really short one, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. you do subscribe, give the bell a ring. It'll let you know when I upload new stuff. Till the next one, take care.